So here we are beginning a poem, that is trees. Before that, there are some activities of our last chapter which has to be completed. Among that, some activities are cancelled because they are not important for you. Alright, now we'll come back to this poem. Trees. Take a few minutes to tell one another the names of trees that you know or have heard of. Mention the things trees gives us. Then read this poem about trees by Shirley Burr. Trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make trees houses in. Trees are to swing swings on, trees are for the window to blow through, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mothers say, "What a lovely picture to paint." Trees make fathers say, "What a lot of leaves to rake this fall." So through this poem, what did you understand? Tree has a very important role in our life. Okay? So trees are for birds to make their nest. Trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to swing swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind and hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mothers say, "What a lovely picture to paint." Trees make fathers say, "What a lot of leaves to rake this fall." So trees are very important. Okay. This is a small poem by Shirley Burr to make us understand the importance of trees. What are the games or human activities which use trees or in which trees also participate? Games. Just think about those vacations where you play under trees. Yes, hide and seek. Then what else? Ice and water. Then police and thief. Yes, and so on. Second one, trees are to make no shade in winter. What does this mean? Contrast this line with the line immediately before it. So read your textbook and understand that what do you mean by this phrase. So to understand that, first you have to read the sentence before this. Trees are for apples to grow on or pears. Do you agree that one purpose of a tree is to have fruit on it? Or do you think this line is humorous? That also you have to think. See, all these are logical questions which you have to think and answer. Okay? It cannot be given as modules to you. Okay, alright. With the help of your partner, try to rewrite some lines in the poem or add new ones of your own as in the following examples. Trees are for birds to build nest in. Trees are for people to sit under. So now you cannot discuss with your partner. So what can you do? You have to write 4 lines by your own. Okay? So everyone is a writer. You can try writing now. So write your own 4 lines and join it with this poem. Now try to compose a similar poem about water or air. This work you will do in your My Grammar activity note. That is, you will write a poem about water by your own. At least 12 lines should be there. Okay, 12 lines should be there in your grammar activity note after writing the summary of which poem was it? Yes, Road Not Taken. After writing the summary of that, then put the date and write a poem about water or air. This is a small work for you. Understood?